Hello, winter. There's so many houses also here, honey. Yeah.
I've come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now.
And it was raining earlier.
Malungkot ang panahon talaga.
Yeah, malungkot if the weather like this, cloudy. Wow. Full of snow. This is field. Kung saan sila nagtatanim ng grains. Saan tayo pupunta? Walking lang. And there's walang mga tindahan dito, just like if you want to buy something here. Wala. Wala. Malayo. You have to drive. Yeah, 11 kilometers. Sobrang malayo. Not walking distance. Wala. But a lot of houses there.
Yeah, there is farms also. Like farm building.
Oh. And also there, oh. Yeah, ends there, but there is right side and left side.
Yeah, going to someone's house.
Yeah.
Move up from there.
Yeah.
Do you feel a little bit malamig now?
Yeah, oo.
I didn't wear
And
so I
my
feel
face, I feel it very cold now. And my hands, because I'm making video.
You must use the other gloves that you can use touch screen.
Yeah. Ayan, nagme-melt na yung snow. Because it's raining since yesterday, right? Yesterday and then today, earlier morning. This is poblacion. Ay, what is it, honey? Ay, Ascola. Province of Ascola. Barangay ng Merculan. Tie. Merculan Tie. Yeah. Ito yung province. But not far away from Helsinki. 1 hour or 45 minutes to drive. And also 30 minutes lang to Porvoo. What are you doing? What? We have to go there? Talaga? Hi! Shh! May gulay. Ang lalim. OMG. I feel the rain is coming now. A little bit rain coming.
Falling from the trees lang.
Really? Are you sure? So he used to come here. Especially in the summer, he used to come here. What the name of this tree, honey?
Lepka, I think. Yeah. I can check that name for you.
Really?
Ah, Alder.
Alder. Oh, this is the forest. So ngayon walang mga dahon. Akala mo patay na mga sanga pero buhay. This
The people who live here, who has a dog,
Where?
so they
Saan?
walk here.
Oh really?
Yeah.
They walk always here.
Yeah, of course, because the dogs like to walk there.
Yeah.
Here in the hubat.
So nagluto muna kami bago pumunta dito. Kahit anong takbo mo dito, hindi ka papawisan. Right? I thought you understand what
I didn't hear.
if you run away, if you running from here, will not get a sweat. You're not getting sweat. Kasi sobrang malamig. But for me, hindi naman siya sobrang malamig. Carry naman. Carry lang.
Therefore, there is ice.
Today is -1, right? Outside?
No, +1.
Only, I mean +1. So, hindi pa to sobrang malamig. And sometimes umaabot ng -7 to 10, right? So here, oh, the grounds na, the snow melting away.
This is like a hill here.
Yeah, the hill.
You can see down there, mga bukid.
Where it?
That is the road that goes left side to Porvoo, right side to Myrkylä.
Where healing this, honey?
Straight goes to Askola Poblacion.
Is that straight going to Poblacion?
Yeah, that is that crossroad.
Little bit more and then Ascolan na. Poblacion.
Yeah, 11 kilometers long.
We have to go back.
Yeah, let's go here.
So, that's it. Babalik na kami. Continue?
Now we go downhill, be very careful so that you don't step on yellow.
Yeah. The snow melting away here. Oh. Tsaka I think lumabas na yung mga sipon-sipon ko.
We are fortunate, not too much yellow here.
Instead na wala kang sipon, magkakasipon ka dito.
When we get back inside, we can eat.
Huh?
Honey, are you having your finger in top of the front of the camera? I hope not. Okay.
Not.
So when we go back inside, we can enjoy our
Lunch.
chicken gulai wok. with
Our
rice, of
lunch.
course.
Ayan. Nagmi-melt na yung snow because of the rain.
Here is more snow.
But there's other parts na maraming snow.
There we can see the building and
That's-
the
yeah.
road there.
That is house. May bahay doon. Ganyan yun lang yung mga bahay nila dito. Oh. I think I didn't see anything here. Honey, there is second building for their house.
You mean only one floor?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I haven't seen a lot like that here. Only there in Porvoo.
Yeah.
The building there where we go to get my identity code. I mean to register my identity code. Here we goes. Saan to, honey?
Edge of the bukid.
Sinipon na ako. Sinipon ng sobra. I think hindi ko kaya magstay ng 3 hours here, honey, outside. Ay! Oh my God,
Ayun.
slippery.
Yeah, don't walk there in yellow.
Where we go now?
Ayun.
Ayun. Hindi na ako ma-slide.
Here we are
Saan?
at the edge of the bukid.
Then where we go now?
Soon back home.
Soon back home.
Yeah.
There's another way.
Yeah, sometimes I walk there and
Or
to
is
to
the
road, but
shorter?
let's not walk there. Shorter, you want home quickly now.
Yeah, where's the shorter?
Here, just follow.
Follow him. Follow him.
Halika na rito.
Okay, I'm coming. So, dito lang pala yung labasan. And then, dito na kami lumusot.
Mukhang malungkot dito, di ba?
Oo. Mukhang malungkot because it's winter season. Everybody's at home and don't want to go out because very cold outside.
May malakas na hangin na yon.
And there is a little bit strong winds and sobrang malamig.
The wind is blowing through the clouds.
Yeah. Medyo malakas yung hangin. The trees are dancing because of the strong winds. I think when Taimi is here, honey, she used to play there.
Not everyone.
Not everyone, why?
She hasn't been here many times. Only 2 times, I think.
Only 2 times lang.
Yeah, and quickly lang.
Because may ano dyan, oh, duyan. Maybe before, it was playgrounds for children.
Yeah. Nasira na yan.
Nasira na ngayon. Whew. Sobrang lamig na ng kamay ko. So, ito yung kanilang mga email box. Pag may darating na mga email, dito nila hinuhulog. Saka may mga pangalan. Right? Ah, Jaryu only? Mga Jaryu daw.
Mga sulat.
Mga sulat, yeah. May tao doon, oh. Finally here. So, that's all for today's video. And thank you for watching.
Until next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.